Rolling mold is carried out in a muffle furnace. This is an important task, and you think how to solve it, but without it, there is simply no way to pour the second cast. This is helidoc and trumpet with garya. In general, do not do that, and everything will be fine. I will cast aluminum aviali. I already told about him, that he cruciona resistant and polished well. So I prefer to pour art products from this alloy. I will note that he is very specific, and you need to find an approach to it capacity. I fall asleep with sand. If you saw in the previous video, then I switched to silica gel instead of sand. Of course, expensive pleasure, but it has many advantages. In general, stoke for progress. Asked for thrash lost cash, hurried and tore off the glacier on still unfrozen metal. What to do, work on mistakes. Well, here's a whole different thing. Cool down. Clean the molding mixture and proceed to the processing process. By the way, repeatedly they write to me in the comments that you can clean the cast from gypsum with ultrasound. If anyone tried, write in the comments how effective is it and how long does it take. I will be very grateful. I speak for everyone. I hope that we are together.